Hello there. Welcome to Ataik Farming in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ding-a-ling ding dong the bell. It'll be Wednesday morning. Gina will use this maybe. As you can see, I'm not in the Philippines. I'll turn the camera around and give you a view if I know how to do it on this one. Yeah, that didn't do it. Get my fingers out there. Oh, I have turned it down. No. No, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll stop the video there and try again. There we are. So as you can see, I'm not in the Philippines. I'm in Australia. I'm at my son's house. David, who was over on holiday a few weeks ago. I arrived here last night, absolutely buggered after flying from the Philippines, but I'm fine today. I have one or two bits and pieces to do while I'm over here. I should be ordering some eggs tonight, so hopefully I can get some fertile eggs brought back with me. And I'll leave this video there, and we'll all have a surprise in what Gene adds later on, I suppose. I'll be as interested to watch it as anybody. So I'll leave it there and we'll see you all later.
Just a quick update about the site. It's almost 6 o'clock night time. David made an opening video for me yesterday, and I did not make some yesterday because I'm not feeling well. Chickens have feeds and water, but there's still one in the nesting box, but there's no eggs under that one. And about the house update, they did put the, I don't know what you call that one, for the fascia board. Yeah, they finished put this side. We had brown out early morning, and they try to make it's a big pumpkin there. We go on to the pigs and chicken on this side. It's getting dark. We go to the pigs first. They did chip the floor earlier on while there's no electricity in the morning. They did do that one because David wanted that one to be done. Pigs, they're all fed and clean. Now these pigs are on grower. We changed the feed the other day. This one is clean and fed as well. They grow very quick. And this one, she looks like very lonely. She was left alone. Maybe we will butcher that one on Sunday. I need to look at the meat in the freezer. So this one is on finisher. We changed it the other day as well, including this one as well. They have feeds in front of them. They grow very, very quick. They're all crying, grunting at me. Maybe they're not used that I'm the one who go here. They're all noisy. Try to check the bins if they have some feeds. Yeah, it has. So that's the pigs. Now we go on to the chickens. Cholo was following me everywhere. So we go inside here. Try to check if they have some feeds and water. The feeds is here. Water. It has feeds. Oh, they're all roasting na there in the top. I'm a bit late. Come today. I don't know if you can see them. They're all in top. Some is on the side, and them are there. Try to look if it has egg. Yeah, I found one. I will get it and bring in the shop. Here they have water and feeds in here. Yesterday I did sold 2 pieces of chicken outside. One person buy them too. Almost 5 kilos them too. So I told them to put another chickens in there. They finish this side as well for the fascia board. Only that side and that side there on top was not done. This side here and that one, it was done, but that one there on top, it's a bit hard, so maybe they will make a scaffolding tomorrow. to go there on top. So that's the update of the site for today. There's the baby there.
Hi. Hello. 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 Say hi. Hi. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So that's it.
Bye-bye. 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 Blankies. Blankies. Yay.
So see you again next time.